with this person, with this human being, it's out there, it's real. What he feels, he shows, and that's it. So I feel that is best, and that's much easier.
Right.
Now, he has never gotten angry, and I have. So the last, which event was it? One launch in the theater we launched the song, and after that a lot of memes came. It was really funny. I enjoyed watching. So in the flight I kept showing everything to him. See, this is so nice. This is so nice, and we both laughed together, and that's it.
Yeah.
And then two things. I mean. My first memory, the first day I saw him, we were supposed to take a private flight for an inauguration that we were supposed to do together.
Okay.
And the previous day, I was flying from somewhere, and I had this sandwich from the airline. I was so hungry, and I fell sick at night. I had a food poison. Now morning, I'm in the space. No, I need to get ready. I need to go there to the airport, and I didn't know what to do, and I was so scared that I just wanted to show up on time. But then they called, no, sir is already here, sir is waiting, we need to take off as soon. I said, I don't know, I have to rush. I'm like, just give me whatever medicine, I don't know if I faint or whatever, I'll just take that and I'll go. And then this is the mood with which I'm going. And I reach the airport, I see this person just got up from where he was sitting. He was talking. He was full on energy. Everyone was there. I think Lokesh Gar, everybody. They were. He was like, his son-in-law, and yeah. And then he gets up from his place and he comes. Are you okay now?
Wow.
Okay. So that's it.
Right.
That's it.
Right.
I didn't have to explain that. How sick I was. There was nothing. He's just, you take care. It'll be like, have water. He's that. It's not anyone, coming and telling me, oh, why were you, he was waiting here. Nothing. So I really, and very recently, there's something in the same flight, on some other flight. Okay, so they were already boarded and I was entering, and he asked me, like, where are you sitting? I said, I'm sitting on the same row. I'm sorry, in the third row. And he's like, why? He didn't even think. He took his bag. He asked our director, sir. He said, no, we both will go sit in the third. Let her sit here.
Wow. Wow.
And I'm like, what will I do with 2 seats in the front row in business class? Like, what do I do with? No, you sit here. You sit peacefully. You sit here. And he took him and he just left.
Right.
And then we had to, ask him to please come. I'm like, so that's him. So these are the things that will never come on social media.